Focal Alpha News.
Real news for real world.
India's ace javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra has hit back at critics and trolls who targeted him and his family for inviting Pakistan's Arshad Nadeem to participate in the Neeraj Chopra Classic 2025, set to be held at Bengaluru's Kantirawa Stadium on 24th May. During a press conference on Monday, Chopra said that he had sent an invitation to Paris 2024 Olympics gold medalist Arshad for the NC Classic, a one-day javelin throw event. In the comments section, the 27-year-old faced heavy backlash for inviting the Pakistani javelin spearhead to India for the event. After days of criticism, Chopra broke his silence and claimed that the invitation he sent to Nadeem was from one athlete to another, and there was nothing more to it. I am usually a man of few words, but that doesn't mean I will not speak up against what I think is wrong, especially when it comes to questioning my love for our country and the respect and honor of my family. There has been so much talk about my decision to invite Arshad Nadeem to compete in the Neeraj Chopra Classic, and most of it has been filled with hate and abuse. They haven't even left my family out of it. The invitation I extended to Arshad was from one athlete to another, nothing more, nothing less, Chopra said in a post on X. Chopra clarified that the invitations were sent out on Monday, a day before the tragic incident occurred. The aim of the NC Classic was to bring the best athletes to India and for our country to be the home of world-class sporting events. Invites had gone out to all athletes on Monday, 2 days before the terrorist attacks in Pahalgam, he stressed. After everything that has happened in the last 48 hours, Arshad's presence at the NC Classic is completely out of the question. My country and its interests will always come first. To those going through the loss of their loved ones, my thoughts and prayers are with you. Along with the entire nation, I am both hurt and angry at what has taken place, he added. Chopra addressed the criticism directed at him and his family for inviting Nadeem to the competition. Feeling hurt by the false narratives being spread about him and the questioning of his integrity, Chopra said that he believes he and his family are being unfairly targeted without cause. I am confident that our country's response will show our strength as a nation and justice will be served. I have carried my country with pride for so many years now, and it hurts to see my integrity being questioned. It pains me that I have to explain myself to people who are targeting me and my family without any valid reason. We are simple people, please don't make us out to be anything else. There are so many false narratives that certain sections of the media have created around me, but just because I don't speak up, it doesn't make them true, he said. Focal Alpha News.
Real news for real world.